Here we go. We're doing 227 Westlake. This is Selling Construction. Making this video from the downstairs 4-inch, or garage I should say, parking garage, 4-inch clean out access in the basement. So I'm going to pull back from the main. We're looking at a city main, the old school brick piping there. Coming back into 6-inch clay line. We got the footage zeroed out at the start there so I can get a liner footage here. So we've got 36 feet of 6-inch old original clay there. There is a tie-in. There's definitely one there. Let me flip the screen here. The tie-in to the right, kind of bottom right of the screen there. It's on the right side of the pipe. This is about probably 7-8 feet outside the building. That's the only tie-in I've located on here, is that one there. Look one last time to see if I can see anything else. Well, that's the only tie-in now because we're out under the street. Alright, I'm going to end the video there. 36 feet of 6-inch there. And we'll end the recording and then go record from the other cleanout. Alright, we're recording the second line here at 227 Westlake. This is the 6-inch cleanout down here in the basement. We are as far out as I can push this camera. It's right around, take out the slack, probably 45 feet out there. But what we're looking at there is another liner that's been installed previously, and they left a large lip that I'm not going to be able to get the camera through because of the size of that lip. So I can only record from here back. That lip, this whole section of pipe needs to be ground down better. I'm assuming this was what they reinstated, which they blocked off during the last lining project for, what's that Rudy's pipe called? Cosmoprof. As the part of that project. I'm assuming that's what that is the liner from there. So I'm going to come back from here and we'll get a look at this line back from here. I'm zeroing out the footage and we'll come back. So we're in 6-inch original clay again. Get this oriented in the right direction here. 6-inch original clay. Any tie-ins on this line. So there's only about 20 feet till you get to that other liner, from that plastic to that other liner, and then we get back into SDR 35 plastic. And coming up back out of the clean out now, out of the access point now, there's a turn, and then we're coming into the cast here. Here's the end of the cast iron line. That's what we're recording this from. I'm going to end the recording there.